Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, based on where you are watching me from. Alright, today I want to show you how you can navigate through this platform. This is Stream Africa, and I know most of you have registered and people are complaining that you don't know how to go through it. So that is why I'm doing this video. So currently, if you can see, this is my earning in this platform. So I'm going to walk you through on how you can earn. So once you enter this platform, you click on these three lines here. Once you click, let me show you again. This is the line. This line, you click on this line. Once you click on that line, you will click on the stream box. That is where all your activities, all your tasks is. Once you click there, so these are all your tasks. As you can see, these are all your tasks. So we have Snap Collab, we have Audio Collab, we have Video Collab, and we have Live Stream Collab, and we have File Download Collab. So I'm going to walk you through on how you can perform all your tasks on this platform and earn your money. So normally I've already performed my task this morning, but I'm still going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you can click on this Snap. Let's start with this Snap Collab. So once you click, this is my earning. This is my earning so far on this Snap Collab. So this is how it works. Once you come in here, you just click on this N. If I click on this N, you will know they will tell me that I've already earned for this task. Look at it. Look at what they will say now. Wait. So I've just earned now. Thank God, I was not even expecting to earn again. So because I've already earned this money, so I just log in now. As you can see, I've just earned. When I logged in, it was $12 something. So now it's $13 point something. So I've just earned. That is how to earn on this platform. So now you can go back. Then you click on the dot again, and you click on your Audio Collab. Once you click on your Audio Collab, so as you can see, I have $18.60 here. This is my total earnings. These are my earnings so far because I just registered on this app early this month. So once you come here, these are all music. These are all music that you can play. So this is Omale. So wait, after this video, after the music play, you'll see that I will earn. I've already earned this money, so I'm just trying to show you how to earn. So the music is playing already. Take note of the balance, 18.60. So the music is playing already. So I've already earned the reward on this particular task. So that's why. So that's how you can earn on this platform. Once you play, they will reward you. So then after rewarding you for today, you will next for the next day. Then you will log in. So each video you play is 1,550 naira for each music you play. Music. So now you go back and you click on that three lines again. You click on your stream box. Then you click on video. Click on Video Collab. Click on Video Collab. So on my Video Collab, this is my total earning so far on my Video Collab. As you can see, I've earned $33, which you know how much it is in Nigerian currency. So once you log in here, these are all videos. These are all videos. I've already earned this money. These are all videos. So once you play anyone here, they will reward you. But try as much as possible, even because once you start playing in like 2-3 minutes, they will reward you. But you still have to allow the video to finish playing. So once you end, you go back, you click on that line again, then you go to your live stream. This is my live stream reward. So this is what I've earned on my live stream, $51.30, which you still know how much it is in Nigerian naira. So these are all the live stream. Look at Katafe is also on the platform. These are all the videos, the live stream that you can join. So let me just click one so that you will see. So this is how it wants to play. Once it play,
okay, wait, you want to date me, but you carried me to give DDG.
So I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I just have to pause it and go back. Once you play, you will earn. So I've already earned my own this morning. That's why I cannot earn again. So you go back. You click on the stream box again. You go to your file download collab. So this is the 2 file download. So here, no much tax. They don't upload these tax every day because this is where they update the platform. So once you download, you will earn $1, which you know how much it is, 1,500. Maybe 1,550 naira. So this is my total earning so far, $2.10. So this is just how to earn in this platform. It's not hard. Mind you, you will have to register with 12,000. You have to register with 12,000, and once you register with 12,000, your money will be paid. Your money will be credited in your profile, like you have seen. This is the amount I used in registering. This is the amount I used in registering this platform now. So once I log in here, they credited me my 12,000, which once is because the withdrawal date is 30th of this month. That's why most of you are saying that this platform is a scam. It's not a scam. If you follow instructions, you will surely get from this platform because the withdrawal date is 30th of this month, and most of you are just trying to withdraw by all means. And when you cannot withdraw, you will say that this platform is a scam. It's not a scam. You just have to wait till just be performing your tax, your daily tax, till 30th of this month. You will withdraw your money. Just keep calm and be performing your tax. So this partner earning now is what I will do again in another video, because if I want to talk about this partner earning, it will be very long. So this is my total earning for the tax I've been performing. So what I have here is $118.80, which you know how much it is, almost 150,000. So that is how to earn in this Stream Africa. Where most of you have a problem is that your coach will not carry you along. Once you contact somebody and the person register you, the person will just block you, or we just don't have time to put you through. So you need a good coach that will put you through. So if you want to register, just comment on the comment section that you are interested. So if you have already registered, you don't know how to go through it, just comment on the comment section, put me through, and I will surely show you what to do and how to go through it. So this platform is a very good platform. As you can see, they are already registered. It's a registered platform, so there's no scam zone here. You just have to follow the instruction and perform your tax daily, and you will surely earn from this platform. Thank you.